Hi Rev, how are you?
I'm doing very well today, Rochelle.
Alright. We want to talk to you about the Rev Chef cooking competition, and we want to know, first off, what aspect of the event are you looking forward to?
Right. To be honest, I'm really looking forward for the fellowship and just to meet with the other competitors and just to see their cooking skills. Basically for the fellowship and the fun of it.
Alright, great.
Yes.
And what's your tagline?
My tagline, I am Rev Chef, #potato.
Alright. And what would you how would you describe your cooking skills?
Well, to be honest, I think I would say good. I'm not excellent, but I can boil egg and water.
And what would you want to tell your other competitors?
Just to say to them that if they can cook water and egg better than I can, then they will win. Otherwise,
it's yours.
Yeah, otherwise it's mine. All right.
He has
Okay.
taken away my sorrows and now I'm free. I got me hallelujah, I got my hallelujah,